Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to dive into. The world of kimchi ramen. This Korean delicacy has taken the culinary world by storm, but there's so much more to it than meets the eye. Join us on this delicious journey as we uncover the hidden secrets and unknown facts about kimchi ramen. The origins of kimchi ramen. Our journey begins by exploring the origins of kimchi ramen. Did you know that this mouthwatering dish is a fusion of Korean and Japanese cuisine? It was first created in the 1960s when the Korean War left the country with limited food resources. Korean locals began mixing Korean kimchi with Japanese ramen noodles, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. The power of kimchi. Now, let's talk about the star ingredient, kimchi. Kimchi is a traditional Korean side dish made from fermented vegetables, primarily Napa cabbage and Korean radishes. This fermented goodness not only adds a unique tangy flavor to kimchi ramen but also brings a wealth of health benefits. Did you know that kimchi is packed with probiotics and vitamins, making it a superfood for gut health? Kimchi ramen variations. Kimchi ramen has evolved over the years, resulting in various regional and modern interpretations. In Busan, they love their kimchi ramen with a spicy seafood twist, while in Seoul, you'll find kimchi ramen with a richer, beefy broth. And let's not forget the vegetarian and vegan versions that cater to different dietary preferences. The perfect kimchi. To truly appreciate kimchi ramen, you need to understand what makes the perfect kimchi. The secret lies in the precise balance of ingredients, including the Korean chili flakes, garlic, ginger, and fish sauce. But here's an unknown fact. The age of kimchi can greatly affect the flavor. Aged kimchi has a deeper, more complex taste that elevates your kimchi ramen to the next level. Kimchi ramen etiquette. Now, let's talk about kimchi ramen etiquette. In Korea, slurping your noodles is not only acceptable but a sign that you're enjoying your meal. It's also customary to finish every last drop of your soup as a sign of appreciation to the chef. So, don't be shy. Slurp away and savor every bite. Kimchi ramen in pop culture. Kimchi ramen has left a significant mark on Korean pop culture. It's been featured in numerous K-dramas and films, becoming a comfort food icon. Did you know that some K-drama actors even have their own kimchi ramen recipes? It's a testament to its popularity and influence. The ultimate kimchi ramen recipe. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The ultimate kimchi ramen recipe. We'll show you how to make a delicious, authentic bowl of kimchi ramen from scratch, with all the tips and tricks we've gathered on our journey. Kimchi ramen around the world. Kimchi ramen isn't confined to Korea anymore. It has found its way into the hearts and stomachs of people worldwide. From New York to Tokyo to Sydney, you can now find kimchi ramen on menus around the globe, each with its unique twist and adaptation. Kimchi ramen challenges. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some kimchi ramen challenges. There are eating contests where participants attempt to finish a massive bowl of kimchi ramen in the shortest time possible. It's not for the faint of heart, but it's a testament to the dish's popularity. Korean-Japanese fusion. Kimchi ramen is a fusion dish that combines Korean and Japanese culinary elements. It marries the flavors of Korean kimchi with Japanese ramen noodles and broth. Kimchi fermentation. The flavor of the kimchi used in kimchi ramen depends on its fermentation period. Aged kimchi imparts a deeper, more complex flavor to the dish. Probiotic benefits. Kimchi, a key ingredient in kimchi ramen, is a probiotic-rich food. It's not only delicious but also beneficial for gut health due to its live bacterial cultures. Regional variations. Kimchi ramen can vary widely across Korea's regions. For example, in Busan, you'll find a spicy seafood version, while in Seoul, it often includes a rich beef broth. Vegetarian and vegan options. In response to dietary preferences, many Korean restaurants now offer vegetarian and vegan versions of kimchi ramen. These versions use plant-based broths and toppings. Cultural icon. Kimchi ramen has become a cultural icon in South Korea. You can find it on the menus of many international restaurants and food festivals. Kimchi ramen recipes by celebrities. Some Korean celebrities and chefs have shared their own kimchi ramen recipes, often with unique twists and secret ingredients. Balance of flavors. A well-prepared kimchi ramen strikes a delicate balance between the tanginess of kimchi, the umami of the broth, the chewiness of the noodles, and the toppings like pork, tofu, or vegetables. Healing properties. In Korean culture, kimchi ramen is often considered a comfort food, believed to have healing properties for those feeling under the weather. Versatile ingredients. Kimchi ramen is incredibly versatile. You can customize it with various proteins like pork, chicken, or seafood, and adjust the spice level to your preference. Evolving recipes. Kimchi ramen recipes continue to evolve, with chefs and home cooks experimenting with new ingredients and techniques to create unique variations. And there you have it, food enthusiasts, our deep dive into the world of kimchi ramen. From its humble beginnings as a wartime fusion dish to its global popularity today, kimchi ramen has a rich and fascinating history. So, the next time you savor a bowl of this delightful comfort food, remember all the hidden secrets and unknown facts that make it a culinary treasure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our culinary adventures from around the world. Until next time, happy eating!